Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to present a project on Python program to display power of 2 using anonymous function project. Our guide name is Bansode ma'am and subject teacher name is Rohini Jadhav ma'am. Myself Ishwari Sidwadkar and my team members are Vaibhavi Shivemkar and Omkar Dhekale. So the topic of today's discussion is anonymous function. So before starting the topic, we must understand what is Python and features of Python. So I will firstly tell you what is Python. Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Python's design philosophy immerses code readability with its notable user of significant indentation. Then I will explain features of Python. Easy to code, free and open source, object-oriented language, GUI programming support, high-level language, extensible features. Python is portable language. Python is integrated language and many more. Then next, this is the indexes of our project. I will explain it to you step by step. This is the introduction of our project. In Python, a lambda function refers to a small anonymous function. We call the function anonymous because technically it has no name. We don't define it with the standard def keyword that we normally use in Python. Instead, lambda functions are defined as one linears that execute a single expression. Although they look different, lambda functions behave in the same way as regular functions that are declared using the def keywords. They are executed in a similar way as a regular Python function, with the expectation that they strictly execute a single expression. Lambda functions are mainly used for creating small single-use functions. You will often see them in place of what might otherwise be a fully defined function, but written as a lambda to save time and space for the Python. Now, next slide is objective of project. Through this project, we get to know the importance of anonymous function. Then next slide is about what is lambda function. In Python, a lambda function is a single line function declared with no name, which can have any number of arguments, but it can only have one expression. Such a function is capable of behaving similarly to a regular functions declared using the Python def keywords. Then why use lambda function? The power of lambda is better shown when you use them as an anonymous function. Inside another function, say you have a function defined that takes one argument, and that argument will be multiplied with an unknown numbers. Now, next part will continue by Vaibhavi Shivemkar.
This is the advantages of our project. The code is simple and clear. No additional variable are added. And disadvantages of lambda function. Lambda expression are strange and unfamiliar syntax to many Python program. Lambda function themselves lack name and documentation, meaning that we only way to know what they do, it read the code. Lambda expression can only contain one statement, so some readable language features such as tuple unpacking cannot be used with them. Lambda function can often be replaced with existing function in the standard library or Python built-in function. Next slide is This is the snapshot of our project. You can see here, this is the output. Next slide is. This is the conclusion of our project. To summarize, in this post we discuss how to define anomalous function in Python using lambda expression. If you have any Python script containing many functions, the evaluate one-line expression, it is often easier to replace this function with the lambda expression. Further, we discuss how to set default value in our lambda expression, which allow you to capture the value of a variable at the point of definition. If you wish, you can learn more about anomalous function. I recommended reading Python. I hope you found this post intersecting useful. The next slide is. Next, I am showing to how exactly work our code.
Start.
The online interpreter. I will execute on this interpreter. This is the code of our project. I will run it on. So enter any number you want. So I will enter 10 number. As you can see here, this is the output of our project. Thanks for watching this video.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.